in the BJP vow to implement the National Register of Citizens or NRC if it comes to power in Jharkhand. Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan made this announcement that the government will ensure implementation of the controversial National Register of Citizens, promising a move which is aimed at addressing concerns over changing demographics of the state attributed to the alleged infiltration from Bangladesh. Now, Jharkhand, remember, expecting the poll announcement anytime soon when the state goes to elections. Chief Minister Chauhan also said State Chief Minister Hemant Soren and the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha have fostered these undocumented immigrants for vote bank politics. Let's listen in to what Shivraj Singh Chauhan said.
बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठियों के कारण यहाँ की डेमोग्राफी तेजी से परिवर्तित हो रही है। अब आप देख लीजिए, हमारे संथाल परगना में कभी आदिवासी आबादी 44% से ज़्यादा थी, घट के 28% रह गई। और इसके लिए हम झारखंड में एनआरसी लागू करेंगे, नागरिकता का रजिस्टर बनेगा जिसमें स्थानीय निवासी रजिस्टर होंगे और जो घुसपैठिए हैं उनको चुन चुन के बाहर निकाला जाएगा। ये हमारा संकल्प है।
Well, let's go across to Prabhakar now for more. So, Prabhakar, ahead of the Jharkhand elections, the BJP bringing in NRC. This is something, they've spoken about, these illegal immigrants that are coming into the state. Give us more details. Also, any response from the JMM?
Yeah, JMM certainly has responded, and JMM maintained its usual stand that it is completely against the NRC as its other alliance partners of UP, and they are saying that they would, if they are voted back to power, which they are very confident about, then the implementation of NRC in Jharkhand is completely ruled out. But what BJP has announced is very much on the expected lines. So BJP understands this very well. This NRC actually bridges the divide, the caste divide in the state, and it actually divides the people on the basis of religion. Because in this particular case, there's one particular religion which comes under target, and BJP understands this dynamics very well. This is one thing which they would like to play up before the elections are announced in Jharkhand. And Jharkhand, remember, is a poll-bound state. Anytime soon, maybe within a week or 10 days, the Jharkhand would have the code of conduct implemented there, and the elections the election campaign would be underway. So just before that, the BJP has thrown this issue in the ring, and it hopes that it would cut across the caste line, and it would actually benefit them as far as the poll outcomes are concerned. Now, remember, there were earlier there was a contest between which party or which coalition actually gives more freebies to the Jharkhand voters. So the JMM had launched a very ambitious scheme called Maiya Samman Yojana, which actually gives money to women folks there, 1,000 rupees per month. That is around 12,000 rupees a year. Now BJP had to counter that. BJP has announced that it would be, if they are voted to power, they would give 2,500 rupees per month on a very similar scheme. But that was actually not cutting much ice with the voters. The BJP realized that, and now they have thrown this issue, and this will certainly actually have an impact on the ground. Remember, Jharkhand is a tribal-dominated state. Jharkhand is a state where tribal population actually decides which way the swing goes. Now, majority of the tribals are still Hindus, though a very large chunk of them are Christians. So it would certainly impact those tribal voters who are Hindus, and BJP, understanding this dynamics, has actually raised this issue up.
All right, Prabhakar, thanks so much for joining us with those details. So the BJP raising this poll pitch, promising NRC in Jharkhand ahead of the elections being announced. Let us listen into what the JMM had to say, Supriyo Bhattacharya.
देखिए, कोई एनआरसी लागू होगा तभी तो होगा। आसाम में तो एनआरसी लागू हुआ था। जब वहाँ पर समझ में आ गया कि एनआरसी लागू करने से देश के नागरिक ही उसमें से छूट जाते हैं, तो फिर उसको ठंडे बस्ते में डाल दिया गया। त्रिपुरा जो सीमावर्ती राज्य है, जहाँ बांग्लादेश का सीमा शेयर करता है, वहाँ पर क्या हुआ? वहाँ क्यों नहीं एनआरसी हुआ? वहाँ उनकी सरकार है। मणिपुर, म्यांमार और चाइना से सटा हुआ है, वहाँ उनकी सरकार है। एनआरसी कहाँ है? हमको तो लगता है कि 6 महीने से भाजपा ये एनआरसी और घुसपैठी वो चाहे प्रधानमंत्री हो, गृह मंत्री हो, अन्य केंद्रीय मंत्रियां हों या और उनके कोई भी नेता हो। उसके अलावा उनके पास कोई टॉपिक ही नहीं है।